trim your hair. Don't be afraid. Hey beauties, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and thank you for stepping back into Leigh's world. So if you guys are new here on this channel, I let you guys in on hair tips, how to get your hair to its most healthiest state, and how to keep it growing, get it growing, and keep it growing. With that being said, there's one vital piece that you have to do every few months, and that is trimming your ends. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I trim my ends at home, yes, I do this without a stylist at home, especially with, you know, the times that we're living in, just keep on watching. Alright beauty, so my hair is freshly washed. I just completed wash day for the week. And before I get into the trimming process, I wanted to go over my tools with you guys. So I'm obviously going to be using a blow dryer to blow out my hair to get it ready for the trim. This is just like a regular blow dryer, like it's nothing too special about it. I got this back in college. It's from Hot and Silky. I thought about investing in like a better blow dryer, you know, like a Dyson or something like that. I'm still thinking about it, but for the time being, I was like, I don't really need to do that right now because I don't blow out my hair that much. I really only use my blow dryer when I blow out my hair for trims or when I want to like stretch it out and give it a little bit more volume to my wash and goes or twist outs or anything of that nature, just to get like more volume, more length. So this one works fine for the time being with all that. And then I have, of course, I have a comb attachment, which I use. I do also use like a brush to like smooth out my hair and kind of get any tangles out so the heat's not just like sitting in my hair as I'm trying to like work it down. I do use my blow dryer on the lowest setting for each section individually because I do about 4 sections. And then I go over my hair one time on high heat. So that's how I blow up my hair to get my trim. If you guys want more information on how I blow my hair out and the techniques that I use even for wash day, I do have a video on my channel. So if you're interested in that, I'll link it above and you guys can go and check that out. Alright beauty, so my hair is blown out now. And I'm seeing some length here from the last time I blew my hair out, which we love to see. Really quick, I want to let you guys know that I did add a heat protectant. I'm not sure if it's the same one that I used in my blowout video, but I use this one from Palmer's. So this is actually a leave-in conditioner, but what I love about this one is it's a 3-in-1. So it's a leave-in, a heat protectant, and a detangler. So we love that. One thing that I do really love about this is it doesn't leave like that filmy like texture on your hair. Like I don't know if you guys are like me, but like I've tried so many heat protectants and I always get that filmy feel, and I just thought that was normal until I tried this one, and it does leave a film, but it's like something that I can tolerate. Like I can feel my like the heat protectant, like it's a protective barrier there. That's what it feels like. All the other ones I've ever used are just like it's just something there that I want to rinse out. So we love her. All right, so now what you all have been waiting for, let's go ahead and trim this hair. All right, so I'm gonna use these shears that I got off of Amazon. They're nothing too special. I haven't gotten to the elite state of trimming my hair at home to where I use like some like good like heavy weighted shears. My grandmother is a licensed cosmetologist and she always taught me that the best shears are from Joann Fabrics, like the fabric cutting scissors, because those cut really sharp. So obviously you have to be careful with them, but they're the best ones to get like a clean cut for your hair. But those are expensive, and like I said, I'm not that elite yet, neither are my pockets. So Amazon. All right, so I'm gonna teach you guys 2 ways of trimming your hair. So the first way is going to be super beginner friendly. This is what I learned how to do on YouTube University when I first like started going natural and started like doing my trims myself. All right, so I'm gonna clip this back section that I sectioned off into like a smaller piece, and I'm gonna start with this. So the way that I used to trim my hair, and you guys are gonna be like, this is weird, but it worked. Trust me, like my cuts was even, okay? So I used to take a piece of white printer paper. Don't sleep on YouTube University, okay? Do not sleep. Anywho, so I used to take a piece of white paper and I would place it underneath my hair, right? And then you see how my hair is like full. Like, you know, it's like, you know, there's no spaces, it's full. Until it gets about here, right? See that? Like it's really spacey, like right about there. That's where I would cut. Now that this method is super effective now, and like I can still do it, but I've kind of gotten in a rhythm of trimming my hair to where I know where it needs to be cut. That's the first method. The second method is literally just like kind of going down my hair a bit, and like it's super smooth, and then where it gets like kind of rough is about here, and you can see like all of that is dead. So, and that's about the same length that it was on the paper. So I'm gonna take my scissors and I'm cut it. Boom. Clean ends. We love to see it. That's like really it, how I do my thing with my trim. So I'm going to just continue that method completely around my head, and then I'll come back and I'll show you guys what it's looking like in the end. All right, beauties, so I am done with my trim. I can run my fingers through my calf hair with no issues. Because before I was in there like, ooh, ooh. So that's actually a good indication of how you know it's time to trim your hair. If your ends are getting caught on like your tools or your fingers as you're running them through. If you're getting like the little, you know, like knot balls at the ends, like the little tiny ones, or if you just have like split ends. Trim your hair, girl. The way that I do my schedule is I trim my hair every like 3 to 4 months. So I got professional trim back in July, and before then it had been like 2 years since I got my hair trimmed. So to me. Then I trimmed my hair 3 months later in October, and then I was supposed to trim my hair in like January, and I kind of let it slip my mind. So yeah, I'm trimming my hair now, and it's March. So in April, May, June. In June, I will have to trim my hair again. This is what she's looking like. And you guys can see I still have like the length that I had in the beginning of the video. So I didn't take like too much off, you know, just literally those dead ends that were keeping me from being great. I'll even show you guys the back as well. My hair my hair is even, and the way I cut it, I wanted it to have a shape to go like to a point and keep it shaped like that. So, and then also, you know, I have like layers in my hair that I like to keep for like my curls and stuff. So that's why my hair goes like this. And the way that I do that is like, I'll still cut in the method that like I showed you guys in the beginning, but like when I get to like from the back to like the sides, instead of cutting down, I'll start cutting outward. And that gives me like my little shape here. So this is a tip for y'all. All right, beauties, so I hope that this was helpful. I hope you guys remember to trim your hair. Don't be afraid. I know that a lot of people can be afraid to cut their hair, but literally, if you use this beginner-friendly method with the paper, I'm telling you, it will be fine. It will be even. The first time I did it, I was super nervous, but it worked. So trim your hair or go to a professional, you know, if you feel safe during COVID. The goal here is get your hair trimmed. Every 3 to 4 months is what I recommend, but of course other people have other recommendations for different reasons, but 3 to 4 months is usually what you need. So that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions about trims, blowouts, or anything like that, comment them below, or you can also follow me on my socials, DM me there, and let's have a little chat, girl. Other than that, I will see you guys next time.